We're here at MODEX 2022. And of course, MHS is going above and beyond. Let's go check it out. MHS is in full representation here at MODEX, and I'm here at the booth of project execution. What does that mean to the customer?
We take projects from the beginning to the end. That starts at the proposal phase. We work with the customers. Sometimes they have an idea on what they want for their facility. Sometimes they don't. If they don't, then we start out and we will help design the facility for them, work through it with them.
We're talking about engineering. We're talking about so many different steps, but the other step that kind of comes to mind is project scope confirmation. What does that mean?
We take the set of specifications that the customer has, and we make sure that that aligns with what we have proposed to them for the project, to make sure before we start the engineering phase, we've gotten all of our I's dotted and T's crossed.
Now, Anthony, we are at the engineering phase. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes. So after the customer has signed off on the initial design, we have mechanical and electrical engineering. So we draw everything in 3D, and you can actually virtually walk through it with...
Wait, did you say virtually walk through it?
You can put on Oculus Rifts, and you can actually walk through and see what it's going to look like before it's even built. We work with the various vendors that we have and working with our customers, and then we procure all of the equipment, have it shipped to site. We have material coordinators that help, make sure everything's going in the right spot.
Oh, so now we're talking installation actually now.
After it's been designed and ordered, procured, then it shows up on site, and projects can be 3 months up to a couple of years. And we'll have on-site project managers, installation supervisors, we have safety coordinators. That's very important to us, is the safety. And then the material coordinators. And then we have engineers that are constantly on site, making sure everything's going properly.
So I can feel comfortable as a business owner that MHS is on my side.
Yes, you sure can.
Let's get into testing now.
So after we install all the equipment, it's very important to test. We want to make sure that it's sorting packages correctly, that getting the proper throughput. After what we say goes live, then it doesn't stop there. You have to maintain the equipment. So we have an LPS group that does ongoing support after the fact to make sure everything continues running properly.
Wow. MHS one-stop shop.